Hello viewers, I have been using Vivo V29 Pro for about 100 days. I have noticed few good things and some drawbacks in this smartphone. Today in this video I am going to share those drawbacks and the good things that I have encountered. The first and foremost thing about Vivo V29 Pro is the display. It comes with a slim form factor. The phone is very slim, but it has a 6.8 inches of Full HD Plus AMOLED display. I am really impressed by the vivid colors of the display. HDR content looks pretty impressive on this display. You will enjoy your multimedia content on OTT platforms like Amazon, Netflix, and many more. Moreover, 120Hz refresh rate make the smartphone very snappy. Another thing that comes very handy in Vivo V29 Pro is the cameras. It comes with pro-grade cameras. The Sony sensors at the rear takes impressive daylight as well as night shots. The rear cameras comes with 50 megapixel OIS lens, so you can expect good stabilization while shooting videos. The phone can shoot up to 4K 60 fps. In daylight, photos taken by this phone has optimum amount of detail and also you will not feel any kind of added saturation. This is the magic of Sony sensor. The 50 megapixel selfie shooter takes excellent images. If you take a lot of selfies, then Vivo V29 Pro is the best choice for you because in this price bracket, Vivo has the best selfie camera because it comes with eye autofocus camera. Another great thing about Vivo V29 Pro is the battery life. It comes with 4600 mAh battery. The battery backup is excellent. You can expect an SOT of 7 hours plus in a single charge. Moreover, the 80-watt flash charger takes only 35 minutes to charge the device from 10 to 100%. So in the battery department, I have no complaint whatsoever. Now I will talk about the things that I did not like about Vivo. Everything is not excellent in Vivo V29 Pro. The first thing that I did not like about it is the UI. Vivo's UI comes with FunTouchOS and V29 Pro comes with FunTouchOS 13 and Android 13. The UI has improved a lot from the previous FunTouchOS, yet the UI needs some improvement. Occasionally, I felt some hiccups while using the UI and switching between apps. Another thing that I did not like about Vivo is the update cycle. Vivo's update is not stable. You will get updates regularly, but if you update your smartphone to the latest version, you will face many problems and bugs. And after that, they will push another update. Yet after that, you will face the same bugs and problems with your update. So it is advisable not to update your smartphone after buying it. And if you still need to update your smartphone, go to service center and tell them to update your phone manually. Only after that you will get stable version of Vivo's update and have a good usage experience after updating it to the latest version. So these are the points that I think I should mention to you so that you can get an idea whether you should buy Vivo V29 Pro or not. If you have any question regarding this smartphone, feel free to ask me in the comment sections. And if you have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos on smartphone and tablets. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.